Switzerland. My name is Benjamin and today we are going to take a look at the white Anise Negroni. This, what we are going to make in this video, is a very popular modern version of the legendary classic cocktail, the Negroni. Well, the most widely reported version of this drink's origin leads us back to the 20th century. Well, according to several sources, the original version of the Negroni cocktail was born when Camillo Negroni has asked one of his friends, who was actually happened to be a bartender, to make his favorite cocktail, the Americano, but strengthen up it a little bit by replacing soda water with gin. Now let's take a look how the original version of the cocktail looks like with a very modern and trendy twist. Well, as a first step, we are adding 1.5 centiliters of white absinthe inside our glass. The main purpose for this is that we would like to swirl all this amount of liquid around the glass. By this, we are also adding a really nice aroma to the drink and coating it from the inside with the flavor and the aroma extraction of anise itself. If we have done this for 10 to 15 seconds, it should be fine. The reason behind why we are using white absinthe instead of, for example, a green type of absinthe in this cocktail is that we would like to provide a more clearer look to our cocktail, in this way not adding any kind of color influencers to change the color itself. As a next step, we are adding a bigger shape of ice. In this case, we are using a really nice bowl-shaped ice. The purpose behind this is that it's recommended to add bigger shape of ice to our drink as an aperitif like this, because it will cool down way faster, but on the other hand it will also dilute way slower. As an additional step, we are adding 3.5 centiliters from our Bombay Sapphire as a London dry gin. This will give us a really nice edge to our drink. And also 3 centiliters of Noir Brett dry vermouth. Of course, we would like to bring in some earthy flavor notes as well to our drink and some extra flavor complexity. Therefore, we chose to stay in the French line and we are adding 1.5 to 2 centiliters based on taste, 1.5 to 2 centiliters of Suze liqueur. This is a gentian liqueur made in French. As an additional step, we are stirring the drink itself to let the aromas blend and at the same time everything extract. And as our last phase, what are we going to make as a garnish? Well, I wouldn't overcomplicate the garnish. With simplicity we can bring a really nice edge to this drink. First of all, we are adding just a few pieces of orange peels to the drink. We can also squeeze it so it will release all the oils, and let's hit it to the edge of the glass. And also 1 stick of rosemary, so the edge of the glass will immediately have a really nice aroma to it. As a result, we get a bittersweet and heavily aromatic cocktail, which can be a really big surprise to any cocktail lover. So please take a sip and enjoy the trendiest Negroni cocktail out there.